Today, I'm going to show you how to make a plastic bottle cutter at home.
To make this bottle cutter at home, all you need is 2 nuts, 2 bolts, 8 washers, a Swiss Army knife, a wooden plank and a sharp blade. We're going to take the wooden plank and place 2 washers on it. Mark 2 holes with a pencil. Use the pocket knife to make hole on the markings. Make sure the holes are wide enough for the bolts to fit in. Screw the bolts tightly. Then add the washers and place the blade on it. Make sure that the sharp side of the blade comes towards the bolts. Cut the extra blade for safety. This is what our final product would look like.